Ever wondered what the commission machine is all about? It's an affiliate marketing course, conceptualized and designed by none other than Michael Cheney. Known for its popularity, this course is also a budget-friendly option, making it an ideal stepping stone for beginners venturing into the world of affiliate marketing. The commission machine is readily available on the JZazoo network, providing easy access to all interested individuals. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of this course. So what does the commission machine have in store for you? Well, at the heart of the commission machine lies a series of 7 training videos, each one meticulously crafted to guide you through the intricate labyrinth of affiliate marketing. Let's take a quick look at what these videos have to offer. First up, we have a video dedicated entirely to research. This is where you'll learn to navigate the vast ocean of opportunities, identifying the most profitable niches and products to focus your efforts on. Next, we move on to the art and science of selling products. Here you'll discover the secrets behind compelling product promotions and how to convince your audience to hit that buy button. Then we have a video focusing on providing incentives. This is all about sweetening the deal for your potential customers, making your offers irresistible to them. Now, on to one of the most crucial aspects of affiliate marketing: email marketing. Cheney's methods shine particularly bright here, guiding you on how to build a robust email list and how to engage your subscribers effectively. Finally, we delve into advanced tactics. Here, you'll explore the strategies used by the top dogs in the industry. These tactics can give you an edge over your competition and help you scale your business exponentially. However, it's important to note that while Cheney's methods are notably effective for email marketing, they may not be a perfect fit for everyone. It's all about finding what works best for your specific needs and goals. That's quite a packed course, isn't it? But wait, there's more? What if you want to take things a notch higher with the commission machine? Well, good news for you, there are upsells available. These include a done-for-you system. This is perfect for those who want to hit the ground running. No need to worry about the technical aspects or setting things up. It's all taken care of for you. Now, if you're looking for continuous support, there's also a monthly membership option. This gives you access to Cheney's affiliate promotions. Imagine being guided by an expert, a seasoned affiliate marketer himself. It's like having a mentor, showing you the ropes, sharing his secrets, and helping you navigate through the ins and outs of affiliate marketing. In conclusion, the commission machine is not just a course. It's an investment in knowledge, in skills, and in your future as an affiliate marketer. It's a valuable resource for beginners and a useful tool for veterans looking to polish their tactics. So, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to elevate your game, the commission machine is a worthy investment. There you have it, the commission machine in a nutshell. A smart investment for the serious affiliate marketer. To access a personal video from Mr. Cheney and more detail about the most popular online affiliate marketing course in history, click the link in the description of the video right now. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video from Mr. Cheney.